Hello, everyone. My name is Ravjot Kaur, and today we are going to talk about writing, especially those questions that are frequently being asked. And I'm going to share a few details upon it. I really want to know what are what are the challenges that you face in writing. Now, if you're facing these many problems in writing, what have you done so far? Grammar, coherence and cohesion, innovative ideas. No, you do not need innovative ideas. You just need to write as per the topic. So for this, you need to read a lot. If you think that idea generation is a problem for you, read as much as you can. And during the classroom sessions, I do give notes. I do give document that states the topics. And I believe when you are surprised with the topic, you might not be able to think about it. But when you know what is going to come in the exam, and these many topics are there, and the questions can be framed in any order, in any ways. So for one topic, for example, if the topic is children. So from children, you can make thousands of topics, but the topic is same. The topic is crime. The topic is art. So one topic can have thousands of questions, right? So when you know the topic, you read it from the internet, you have the idea, you won't face any challenge in idea generation. So that's what we prepare students for. Now, here is a question for you. Can you look at the picture and tell me what are the topics that you see here? Education, elephant, wildlife, health, shopping, yes, gaming, crime, traveling, footprint, weather conditions, yes, games, fitness, electric cars, schooling, global information, video games, health, buildings, spending money, right? Shopping, marine life, wildlife, science. So a telescope, it's not related to telescope exactly, could be related to space exploration as well. Something related to science, right? But they're not expecting you to write any technical words related to that. So the question will be very general. Okay. So these are the topics that you will definitely get the questions from. So for every topic, you can make hundreds and thousands of questions, right? They just keep on juggling with the words. That's it. Okay. Historical buildings. Castle means historical buildings. Equality, yes. Something related to food, yeah. So what you need to do as a homework, you are going to read these topics on the internet. Do you agree or disagree that electric cars would be the future of the world? Something like that can come. Okay, these are the topics. You all have to search it on the internet and read about them. So when you will read, you will make notes about the vocabulary words. Now here, you have to practice. You have to read thoroughly, religiously. So make notes, bullet points, make bullet points about the ideas if you want. You want to make bullet points about the vocabulary words, write it down, and then give yourself some time to read, go through these pointers and write upon that on that topic. Okay. So this way you can practice speaking as well. If you'll practice writing, when you will sit for the exam, you will take less time for planning and writing. Trust me. So please practice writing now. These are the recently asked questions. Now, one of you was asking about these handcuffs, right? That's a crime. This is about crime. Look at it. So this kind of question can come. Some people think that certain prisoners should be made to do unpaid community work instead of being put behind the bars. Anything can come, right? So similarly here, children would go out and play with other children instead of staying indoors and playing video games with no one around. To what extent do you agree or disagree? So this topic is something related to children. This topic is something related to travel and air pollution, something related to environment as well, right? So this is about the environment. This is about the children. This is about the crime. I just said that from these topics, you can make n number of questions. And these are the topics that are coming. So why not we make our base strong And let's start reading from the Google, make notes and start writing on every topic. At least collect information as much as you can. All right, so that you do not face any problem. All right, so these topics, for example, that's the statement, right? That's a statement. Now, this question, to what extent do you agree or disagree, can be changed to advantage and disadvantage, advantage or disadvantage, positive or negative. Discuss both the views, give your opinion. This can be changed in any question, right? So these are the types of questions that you should know. Do the advantages outweigh disadvantages? Do you think advantages are more or disadvantages are more? So by reading the statement, you'll get to know. So what do you think? Is this an opinion essay or non-opinion essay? So do the advantages outweigh? This is an opinion essay. See, it is asking, do the advantages outweigh disadvantages or do you think advantages outweigh? It's an opinion essay. Do you agree? Again, they're asking, do you agree or disagree? This will be what? Opinion essay, simple. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Again, opinion essay. What do you think? Opinion essay. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. Again, they're asking about your opinion. So these all are opinion questions. So when you do not have to give your opinion, these are the questions where you do not have to give your opinion. What are the causes and solutions? What are the advantages and disadvantages? What are positives and negatives? Why is shopping so popular? What effects does its increase in popularity have on individuals in society? So these all are non-opinion essays. So you just need to look at the question, whether they're asking about opinion or non-opinion. So now exactly what you need to do. You need to read the question, make notes, write and revise. So can you tell me, do you have a habit of planning? If there are 40 minutes, you should spend 2 to 3 minutes for planning. And I'm sure you're going to reduce this time. If you'll plan regularly, you'll write, you'll revise, you can definitely reduce this time. And then you can keep writing for maybe 30 minutes, right? And then 5 more minutes for revision. So you should stick to 5 minutes of revision. More time you need to revise. And I'm sure many of you do silly mistakes like spelling errors. Practice as much as you can. Definitely, there is no second thought about it. Ideas is the biggest challenge. So I'm going to give you homework of reading a lot. You have to do it then. All right. So I want to give you homework today. Today's homework is that you have to write. First of all, you're going to read, right? We just discussed about it. You're going to read. You will plan. Then you will write and you will revise. These are the 3 questions. You will read about it first. So can you tell me, if you have to give me one point or one topic of this one, what that will be? So what are you going to look for on the internet? You can make notes related to the ideas. You think that it's a unique idea or you can elaborate on this. You never thought about it. You can make notes on that. Another thing is vocabulary. You can pick the vocabulary words from the internet. There's several vocabulary words you know, but you ended up using it. Maybe you do not know it or you may have forgotten it, right? So you can write that. So nobody will copy paste this entire question because you're going to get 8 or 9 band sample responses of writing. I don't want you to read them. I want you to read the general information from the internet. Then you can put it in your writing. Okay, so this is something related to children. Why I'm showing you this question, I want you to practice writing. I want you to read the topic, make notes and write. Opt for this habit of reading, making notes and writing. Okay. Would be better, totally depends upon your English level here. If you think more practice is required, you should write at least 2 essays. But 1 should be suffice if you don't have exam nearby. Okay. So again, read, write, and revise. That you need to do. Read, plan, write, and revise. Thank you so much for listening. Take care and keep practicing. Bye-bye.